there is no Christ. And it's good to revisit Matthew chapter 2 verses 1 to 12, a very familiar passage. Alam natin yung kwento, minsan dinadala. Along the way, sa katagalan ng panahon, nabalik na yung application. Because if you will read, the wise men offered or gave their gift to Jesus, not to one another. Hindi nila binigay yung kanilang regalo sa isa't isa. Binigay nila ang kanilang regalo na Jesus. So, medyo distorted. Another thing na medyo dinagdagan ito, if you will read, wala pong mga pangalan. There's no name. Wala pangalan yung wise men. But in the Christmas tradition, may mga pangalan na. Ginawa ng three kings. Ano? Tapos may pangalan. Sino ngayon? Melchor, Gaspar, Balazar. But in the story, wala pong pangalan. Sa Bible, walang pangalan. Ano? At hindi rin pinanggit, it was not mentioned in the Bible that there were only three wise men or three kings. Hindi ko pinanggit na three. Ang sinabi lang, there were wise men. It could be more than one. Maaring two, maaring three, maaring four. But the Bible does not mention how many. So dapat maliwanag ko yun. Now, isa po, every time na nag-celebrate ang Christian community, the Christian world, when December comes, and we celebrate Christmas, minsan nagiging issue ito ng debate, even among Christian. So, maganda siguro, before natin tingnan itong passage, matanong kayo, okay lang ba naman mga decorations during Christmas? Yung mga paglawilaw, lanterns, Christmas trees. What do you think?
Okay lang din.
Okay lang daw, kung iba. Kung wala, okay man.
Okay man.
So, nagiging debate ito, and this will be a continuing debate, even in the future. And there are matters sa theology, we call it disputable matters. There are things that is open for interpretation. And if your view is different from your brother or sister in the Lord, respect one another's view. Huwag natin sabihin, mali ka, hindi wala dapat na decoration. Kasi baka mahati yung church, dito may decoration, dito wala. That's disputable matters. Kasi kung maging strict po tayo dito, wala ang tayong Pasko. Kasi never in the Bible that it was mentioned na mag-celebrate ng Pasko. But we celebrate Christmas because that's the coming of our Savior. So these are the things that we have to be matured enough, maging malawak ang ating kaisipan, at kung ano yung ating conviction, as long as we do not condemn the view of others, to me, that's a sign of maturity. Oh. So that is an argument that is continuing. Yan ay tuloy-tuloy. Sa darating na Pasko, pag-usap na naman, hindi pwede, walang decoration, hindi may decoration.